What was the world's earliest form of paper that was invented by the Egyptians? Answer. Hieroglyphics. Who compiled Encyclopedia of Astronomy? Answer. Claudius Ptolemy Caesar, Pompey, and Crassus in 60 BC formed a governing group which was called? Answer. A triumvirate. Demons means which of the following? Answer. Land in control of the Lord. In what country was Christopher Columbus born? Answer. Italy. In which year Germany attacked Russia in World War II? Answer. 1941. The revolution, popularly known as the Paris Commune, is associated with? Answer. Socialism. The term shogun refers to which of the following? Answer. Japanese military general who introduced coal for charcoal in blast furnace. Answer. Darby. What is the original name of Lenin? Answer. Vladimir Ilyich. What is known as the immediate cause of World War I? Answer. The assassination of Archduke Francis Ferdinand. April. Theses was given by? Answer. Lenin-Warsaw Pact was signed in? Answer. The 14th of May 1955. French Revolution started in which year? Answer. 1789. Who became the Emperor of Germany in 1871? Answer. Kaiser William I of Prussia. In which year China entered into World War II? Answer. 1941. Which was the first published book by John Gutenberg in his printing press? Answer. Bible. Which was known as the first published work of John Calvin? Answer. Commentary on Seneca's De Clementia. Where was the First Continental Congress held in 1774? Answer. Philadelphia. What was the darkest period of the French Revolution called? Answer. Reign of Terror. Which book was considered as the Bible of the French Revolution? Answer. Social Contract. Which treaty was proposed to minimize future nuclear wars? Answer. Non-Proliferation Treaty. Which of the following river is also called as the Sorrow of China? Answer. Yellow River. Which of the following was the new building material discovered by Romans? Answer. Concrete. Ancient Mesopotamia was located in which of the following present-day? Answer. Iraq. Which book describes all known trade routes between Europe and the Far East? Answer. A Merchant's Handbook. The Spirit of Laws was written by? Answer. Montesquieu.